I hate this staircase. Today, in my quest for the perfect coffee in Hanoi, I'm onto my second coffee shop that I was going to test out. Today is Dream Beans Coffee. If you missed the first one, here comes the card to show you the link to the first one. But really good coffee is what it says on the tin. I'm really interested to see what they can come up with today. I'm looking forward to this. Let's have a look. What will I have? So how do you make your coconut coffee?
The coconut coffee is what we learned from the affogato, the Italian dessert.
Oh yeah, right. So
we blend the ice together with coconut milk, condensed milk, but try not to make it too sweet.
Oh, okay.
And then the rest job gonna be double espresso on the top. It is melt down on the side of the ice cream.
Yeah.
That would be very nice thing.
Oh wow, right.
And the egg coffee is gonna be the special cremas on the top, which is a fresh egg yolk. We didn't cook it. We just open the shell, check for the white drop down, and we keep the yellow, which is the egg yolk. And then add in it some sugar and honey.
Oh, awesome.
Stir it when it's raw.
Yeah.
And then it should be a teamwork when the two materials should be fresh together, which is double espresso comes out in the same time when the egg yolk is ready after being whipped up. So you will have something very thick, but it still remains its coffee taste and a very weird caramel flavor from the egg yolk.
Yeah.
That's just what you would have.
Oh, perfect. So do you normally make it with espresso, or sometimes you can make it with Vietnamese coffee as well?
The original one is it started with the Finnish traditional, but the point is it's too weak when people add too much sugar in the egg yolk. That's make people only feel the sweetness. It would be nice for someone who just try it, but for someone who are real coffee snob, they would need stronger coffee. That's why we decided to be double espresso.
Wow. I think I've had the sort of like the filter Vietnamese, slightly sweeter experience up until now. So having the espresso experience is going to be good. Thank you.
Check it out.
Awesome.
The coffee here is beautifully divided with 3 different layers. The top layers was the egg yolk, where we open the shell, add in it some honey and sugar. The second level that you see here, that was the double espresso shot. As I explained it before, we need the coffee to be strong enough, should not be to be overwhelmed by the sweetness. So that's why we decide to be double espressos. A little condensed milk on the bottom, I believe it's not going to be too sweet. It's going to be a good, it should be a good balance here. But before you drink it, please make sure you mix them together. And this hot water is trying to help the coffee stay warm longer. So not every people is a quick drinker, so we decide to do this way. So enjoy that. Thank you
very much.
Thank you.
All right, let's give this a go.
dừa có làm nóng được không?
nhưng mà không khuyến khích làm nóng vì cái kem dừa đó, cái kem dừa đó mà bị nóng ấy là nó mất đi cái vị tươi của nó.
Wow. I see what they mean about not being too sweet. I think that's a nice balance between the richness of the egg yolk and the cream with the bitterness of the espresso punching through and a little bit, just that tiny bit of condensed milk adds the sweetness. I think that's a beautiful combination.
Cái của anh thì thiên về để chạy thể thao hơn, tập thể thao hơn thì vậy.
Không, nó chỉ
That is buttery, smooth deliciousness. Best coffee so far in Hanoi, hands down.